2025 Kia K5 shows off new look, swaps base turbo for naturally aspirated 4. New 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine replaces the base 1.6-liter turbo unit. The North American version of the Kia K5, slightly refreshed for the new model year, debuts at the Chicago Auto Show. The most important update comes under the hood. While the GT model will continue to be equipped with a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with 290 horsepower, 216 kW/294 PS, and 311 lb-ft, 422 Nm of torque, the standard model will get a new, naturally aspirated engine. Gone is the turbocharged 1.6-liter unit, and in its place Kia has opted for a 2.5-liter inline-4. The 2025 Kia K5's new base engine delivers a decent 191 horsepower, 142 kW/193 PS, which is 11 horsepower more than the current engine, but its torque rating is down from 264 Nm, 195 lb-ft to 181 lb-ft. Fell 245 Nm. The K5's new engine can be optionally combined with an all-wheel drive system when the sedan is equipped with the available GT line package. An 8-speed automatic transmission sends power to the front wheels as standard. GT models also send power to the front wheels, but they do so through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Other features include 19-inch wheels wrapped in sticky Pirelli P0 tires, while GT line models have 18-inch tires, while the standard K5 comes with 16-inch wheels. Kia has also updated its lighting signature with a design it calls Star Map LEDs. These feature new elements running down both front and rear, giving the K5 a slightly more modern look. The interior of the updated K5 has received updates that give it a more minimalist appeal. Old dials have been eschewed in favor of the current panoramic curved display. It combines two 12.3-inch displays in front of the driver and in the center of the dashboard. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard across the range. The updated Kia also uses the new connected car navigation cockpit system, which the automaker claims is faster and smoother than the system it replaced. It also claims to be more intuitive, with quick controls achieved by swiping the screen and can be updated wirelessly. The base model LXS trim now comes with smart cruise control, parking distance warning and forward collision avoidance. The slightly higher EX trim, which Kia calls the K5's most popular model, will now come with a Bose premium audio system, a 10-way adjustable driver's seat, digital key 2, a heated steering wheel, power folding mirrors and more. Unfortunately, prices for the 2025 Kia K5 are not yet available, but will be announced closer to the vehicle's launch later this year.